Hello everyone, welcome back to Nail Art by Nessa, AliExpress nail art haul video. I am Vanessa and you can call me Nessa. In my last video, we opened up a package with a whole bunch of 9D cat eye polishes by Born Pretty, and here they are. I had a few comments that they don't shift color like they're meant to, and I just wanted to reassure you that they do. It's just I can't capture it on camera. It just doesn't pick it up for some reason, but when you are wearing it in real life, it is quite spectacular, and you can see a little bit more of the shift in the colors with these two on my video, my first look for 2021 9D cat eye polishes. So in today's videos, we are continuing with the cat eye polishes, and we are opening this package. So this one I ordered October 22nd. It arrived November 10th. I paid $21.11, and it's from the Major Digits official store on AliExpress. And so $21.11, that includes shipping, and that's Canadian dollars. So these ones are Francheska 5D cat eye polish. So they don't seem to have a color indication on them, but there are numbers. So let's see here. I believe, well, I bought 9 of them, but there's 11 and 12, so I didn't obviously buy all of them. Let's see here. Okay, so it looks like I bought 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then I do have this one. I can't remember what number it is. I'll check by the end of it. But this one I bought earlier on, and it of course came in one of these containers. However, the container cracked and broke when I took it to someone's house. So I moved it into this little glass container. However, you know, it's glass, so I couldn't let the light get to it, or the UV light. So I just wrapped it in foil. And this was just because I didn't really have a choice. It was leaking everywhere. So we are going to swatch all of these. So I'm just going to go off camera and open these up. Alright, I'm ready to start. So with each of my polishes, you are going to see a picture come up of the color that I'm swatching. I'm going to give each one a little stir, and I'm also going to show you how deep or how much color is in there. So I'll stick my spatula straight in, and then I'll show you where it measures on my spatula, just to give you an idea of how much product is in there. We're gonna go in order, and we are gonna start with this one that I already had. This one is actually number 1. So we're gonna start with number 1, and it is a nice silver color. It's pretty hard to see in this little bottle. I did lose some, so it's hard to kind of show how much was in there. But you can see in this little bottle, it actually is pretty deep. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started with, you'll have some music playing in the background. Each time I lay one of my swatch sticks down like this, you're going to see the color on it, and it will have a top coat already on it. I like to top coat everything. And for my magnet, I will be using the Born Pretty magnet. All right, let's get started. Okay, so this top row here are all of the colors that I swatched in this video today, and down below here are all of the Born Pretty colors that I swatched in my previous video. And there are definitely some differences between the two, but the Francheska, like the Born Pretty, most of them do have a color shift. It's just I can't show you, it just doesn't show in the camera. But I would say that the red one, the rose gold, the gold, and the silver do not have a color shift, and the rest of them do. But the differences between the two, so there's definitely differences. With the Born Pretty, I created the gem look for all of my swatches, and I plan to do that for all of the cat eye polishes that I was going to be swatching. However, with the Francheska ones, that didn't really work. I tried, as you saw, and I did it for these two, but it's really not that great of a gem effect compared to the Born Pretty. So as you can see, when I turn the Born Pretty, it's like you can really see it, like it's definitely that gem effect. So the color in the Francheska does not move as easy, but because it doesn't move as easy, you can create these really cool cat eye looks, and it really kind of has an overall color to it, and you can kind of see the gold kind of almost dripping from the line. It's really cool. I really like that. Whereas with the Born Pretty, when you try and create the cat eye look, I find that you just get a straight line of color, and it's mostly black. So these ones you definitely see a lot more of the color, and it's kind of more of a bleeding effect. So just depending on what kind of look you're trying to create. So if I was trying to create more of the cat eye look, I think I would go with these because I want to see more of the color. Whereas if I was creating the gem effect, I would not use the Francheska. It just was really difficult for me to try and get any kind of gem effect with those. So let me know what you think. If you've had the same issue, which ones you prefer. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. In my next video, we are going to be swatching more cat eye polishes, and they are by another brand. So we'll try one more brand and then we'll compare them all. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and the bell notification, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.